Say hi, guys. Hi, so what do you say? Thank you. Hey guys, you guys, myself, my sisters, we came to visit live to look at it. Guys, see, you said, guys, don't be scared. Everybody say hi. 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 Oh, you can't see. Say hi, baby. With my kids and all, we came to the Zenith Live. But anyways, welcome back to another video. And Happy New Year. This is gonna be our first video in the new year. Myself and my sisters, we just came to because they'll be going back pretty soon. So let's enjoy our time together. We came to the Zenith Live. Let me show you guys. I can show you guys what it's looking like. You know, Lagos is always lit up. Ah. Smile for the camera.
Ooh! Try to say hello to me now. I can't see your face.
1, 2, 3, go! Fire!
Everybody said dollars. Look at mommy now.
The next day.
Teamwork in leadership, ministry, and the marketplace. It starts February 23rd to February 25th, 2026 at the 50,000 Naira only. Registration is now open, so register, stay engaged.
You guys, we just got back from church. We just got back from church and it was the first Sunday of the year. See, why I've not even been doing videos, I've just been relaxing. It's because my sisters are around. You guys already know that. And I've not entered this kitchen in a long while. We're back from church. We're having pepper soup and yam this morning. Don't enter afternoon now. This afternoon. We're having pepper soup and yam this afternoon, and she has cooked it already. I'm just here to dish for my husband, and that's about it. I still go back. I gotta relax and enjoy myself. Let me show you what the pot is looking like. Ooh. happy new week, you guys. This is the first working day of the week, and it is Monday, and and I cannot believe the switch. I cannot believe that we move from chaotic festive period, the roads were so crazy, like I don't know, the switch between Christmas and New Year and all the seriousness that just comes in between. But I'm still thankful to still have my cousins that are still around with me. Yeah, I was showing you guys yesterday. I can't remember when last I even cooked. I can't remember when last I did so many things. I've just been lounging. They are leaving this week, and when they leave, even my children, I don't know if Kaito and Kaima will be able to go back to how things used to be. And yeah, I forgot to mention, and perpetual travel. That's my only nanny that traveled. Thankfully, I don't have nanny issues this December, because a lot of people, their nannies will say they are going for Christmas and they know they come back. They are going for Christmas and they did not end up coming back. But thankfully, you know, the new person or the new replacement I got after Peace is still here with me. But Aunt Perpetua had to travel, so she traveled. Fingers crossed. In fact, I know she's coming back. We've been talking back to back, so I know. And Perpetua is more of like a matured person with children, so if she's not coming, she's not even going to ghost and say It's more of like now like a family relationship as well. I know her husband, her children, her mother, and all of that. She needed to go for her sister-in-law's wedding. She was the one baking the cake and just a lot of things. So yeah, you guys, it is the first working day of the year, and you know, my husband has asked me like, what's my plan for this year 2026, and I said to him that I'm walking into the year as an egg. I'm not gonna plan anything. All the other years that I've had plans, God's plans always supersede mine. So I'm walking into the year as an egg. From an egg, I grow into a lavender. From lavender, in fact, the theme for this year in church is the year of metamorphosis. Yes, the year of metamorphosis. And what is metamorphosis? Is transformation. In fact, let me Google what is the meaning of metamorphosis. It's transformation now, new beginning, the birth of new things, and then you just begin to grow, begin to mine, and then you blossom into what God has, you know, said that you will be. But hold on, let me get the meaning of metamorphosis for you guys. Man. So it says metamorphosis, it means major change or transformation, especially you guys, sorry, I'm reading from my phone. I'm just receiving messages from people that I set up their tree. I beg, come and dismantle my tree. And I'm like, how did they move from come and fix my tree, or so much excitement, who is gonna have the best lit up tree, to I beg, come remove my tree by sea road. It says metamorphosis means a major change or transformation, especially one that is deep and noticeable, not a small tweak. So yeah, you guys, I'm just walking into this year as a brand new baby girl, and I've just told God, do with me as you so pleases, as you so wishes. And I'm just walking into this year brand new. I don't have any plans for this year, if you ask me. All the plans that I had, everything that we had. But yeah, but the major thing that I'm going to do in this year is that I am going to invest as much in my business. Starting from today, you guys, I have already called the carpenter to couple a lot of things for me, from cakes down to different things, because rentals. I gave rentals in December millions and millions of naira. And aside that, some of them disappointed me, some of them showed me shege, some of them brought nonsense canopies, different things. So you see, in this year 2026, I'm gonna invest in my business and try as much as possible to own a lot of things. Starting from later on this evening, you guys are gonna see me when my carpenter is gonna start coupling things. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys more.
A few moments later.
Sitting down. Okay, now just to couple I'm happy. I they come back now, but my sister she dey here. You guys, I told you I was going to. Okay, so now see, don't start. So you don't dey dirty. Okay. You cut too for the ribbon cake stand, abi?